Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.19 Dimension Range Names Syntax. Dimension range names always start with SCTN. The section is always first, followed by the component. After the component, there is a combination of feature, location, subfeature, position, or direction. The item being dimensioned determines the combination. Some item range names may not have additional characteristics. Last is the dimension being assigned, such as width, depth, or height. There are some exceptions to these general rules. Capital letters in range names indicate the first letter of a new, full, or abbreviated word. 2 examples are SCTN_1 BSE WDT stands for Section 1 Base Width. SCTN DOR BSE OPNG LWR DPT stands for Section 1 Door Base Opening Lower Depth. This example 1.1.19 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.20.